That is the busiest street.
영주는 하이어버스 있고.
That's a cool skyline. Ooh, sandy. See what I mean? It's 10:30 at night. It's cute, but I think they should be in bed for school tomorrow. That's what I would think. What do I know? Whoa, what is it, high tide? See the water coming up pretty high. That's a big wave. Oh, there it is. 9:57. It's 9:57. Oh man, I should have worn gloves. It's really the fingers that freeze first. Very nice. So yeah, we're gonna go to the Westin. I want to leave Texas Chicken a 5-star review on Google Maps. We're gonna write a review for them. We're gonna write a review for a few other small businesses I went to. American Burger. Hi there. American Burger.